Hello everyone, I am here to show you simple mathematics. Okay, simple mathematics. So here 6 minus 4 in bracket 6 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4 in bracket 6 minus 4. How do we do it? Let me show you. Okay, so in order to do this question, we have to follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. So BODMAS, yeah. So BODMAS, bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. So we do this question by the order of this BODMAS. Okay. First, there is a bracket here. In this question, there is a bracket here. So we have to subtract the numbers which is found in the bracket. So 6 minus 4 in bracket 6 minus 4, which is, here is a bracket. Okay, we have to do it first. So 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 4, which is 2 in bracket, which is 2. Yeah, that means 6 minus 4, here is times, yeah, times 2. Therefore 6 minus 4 times 2, yeah, because here is subtraction and multiplication. So first we have to do what? Multiplication. Okay, because multiplication is before subtraction, because of the BODMAS rule. Okay, therefore, which is 4 times 2, it is 8. 6 times 6 minus 8, which equals to negative 2. Okay, negative 2. Therefore 6 minus 4 in bracket 6 minus 4, which is equals to negative 2. Okay, negative 2. Let we see another question. Okay, question number 2. Then 10 minus 2 in bracket 5 minus 1. Okay, as I have told you in the previous question, so 10 minus 2, we have to do in the bracket first, yes, due to the BODMAS rule. So 5 minus 1, which is 4, yeah, in bracket 4, which equals to 10 minus 2, that means times, yes, here is times, so times 4. So there is subtraction and multiplication. First we have to multiply numbers, yeah, due to the BODMAS rule. Therefore 10 minus 2 times 4, which is 8, yeah, so which equals to 2. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Therefore 10 minus 2 in bracket 5 minus 1 equals to 2. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3, 30 minus 10 in bracket, question number 3, 30 minus 10 in bracket 15 minus 10. Okay, so here you have to try. Okay, it is a homework. Try it and put your answer on the comment section. Thank you for listening.